friends, it's Miss Kaylee. I hope you guys have been having a good week at home. I'm at, you're right, school today, and I'm in our science center. Can you say science center? Very good. So we have a little activity called, what's that sound? Can you say that? Say, what's that sound? So I have a quick question. What do we use to hear sounds? We have to use something on our body. It's our ears. Very good. So our ears help us hear and listen to different sounds and noises. So we have these magic mystery tubes. Do you see the question mark on them? There's a question mark. That's a big word. So we have, how many? Let's count how many we have, okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 mystery tubes. And in each of them, there's something different. But we can't use our eyes. We can only use our ears. We have to listen. Can you listen? Very carefully. We have to listen very carefully to what the noise is and take a guess at what we think's inside. Can we do that? All right, let's start with our first one. I'm gonna move these ones. All right, let's start with our first one. You ready to listen? Okay, shh. Do you hear that? It's really quiet. Let's do it one more time. What do we think that is? Okay, let me hear. I want to hear what you guys think it is. Okay, those are some really good guesses. Let's see what's inside. Are we ready? We're going to turn it and we're going to find out. Can you see what that is, friends? It's a bouncy ball, right? That was what was making the noise. Did you guess that it was a bouncy ball? Way to go. Kiss your brain, you're so smart. All right, so that's our first one. All right, let's find out what the next sound is. Are we ready? Really quiet, we have to listen. Did you hear that? Do it one more time. What do we think it is? Take some guesses, okay? Those are really good guesses. Let's find out. Ready? Do you know what those are? Those are our sequins. Say sequin. The sequins is what was making that noise. Very good, friends. All right, let's do some more. Let's see what this sound is. You ready? Okay, quiet. That was kind of loud. Let's do it one more time. What do we think is inside here? It's kind of loud. Take some guesses. All right, let's find out. Oh, pretty. Those are our gemstones. Can you say gemstones? Way to go. So the gemstones are what's making all that noise. All right, we did 3. We have 2 more. Let's see what this is. Okay, quiet. One more time, okay? What sound is that? What do we think is inside? Let's find out. Do you know what those are? It's kind of hard to tell. Buttons. Very good. Those are our buttons. That's what's making that noise. Very good, friends. Last one. All right, ready? Quiet. Did you hear it? Okay, let's do it one more time. you think's inside of here? It's kind of quiet. All right, let's find out. Do you see what that is? Those are springs. Can you say springs? Springs. The springs are making that noise. Way to go. So we found out what all of our mystery tube sounds are. Way to go. Everybody kiss your brain. We are so smart and we're such good listeners. Way to go. I hope you had fun with me today, friends. I know I did. I'll see you soon.